Hey everyone, welcome back to Fox Tech, and in today's video I'm gonna be talking about how you can make your first YouTube video using just your iPad. Whether you're new to the content creation or just want to try something new, I've got some cool tips and tricks for you to help get started. So let's dive right in. First off, let's talk about the camera on your iPad, and you might be surprised to know that iPad cameras are actually pretty good. Shooting a video directly on your iPad isn't a bad idea at all. One major advantage is the huge viewfinder, allowing you to see things and spot details easily. Now, the quality will depend on the version and age of your iPad, but generally, it should be sufficient enough for your first video. You will need a stand or tripod to keep your iPad steady while recording. Of course, it all depends on the video. But most stands are designed for iPhones, but there are also some options for iPads. I can just show them some of the options. Like if you literally just look up iPad stand on Amazon, you will see and find some options. But you can also just use the Magic Keyboard if you have one, so you can just always use that as a stand. Or you can also use some homemade method, like you can have your iPad leaning over something or stuff like that. Just be creative with it. Make sure your iPad is safe and that it stands in a position that you want. Now, just make sure it's steady, and when shooting, use the front-facing camera or use the rear-facing, depending on what you want. But if you don't shoot like the short videos, chances are that you want to have it in a landscape format. So you probably don't want this video to be in a portrait mode. So you just have to keep that in mind. Now, let's talk about screen recording, because depending on the type of video you are making, you might need to record your screen or use voiceover. So you can do that too. Or you need to open up the settings on your iPad, find the control center, tap the customized controls, and add screen recording to the list. To start recording, you need to swipe down to open the control center and tap on the new icon for screen recording, and you essentially have a ready video for you. Now let's move on to editing your videos. There are many different apps you can use for editing on your iPad, and it all depends on the complexity of the video. If your video is really simple, even the built-in Photos app will help you trim, adjust, rotate, and crop your clips. For more advanced editing, you might want to use apps like iMovie or CapCut. iMovie is great for beginners. It's intuitive and offers a variety of templates and effects to make your video look polished, but CapCut, on the other hand, is a powerful editing app, and it's also free. It offers more advanced features and effects, making it a great choice if you already know a little something about videos and want to get creative. You can of course use any of the apps, so you can open up iMovie, import the video, start a new project, then trim, split, arrange the clips as you wish. You can then export the video in high quality and save it in the photos. For CapCut, the process is going to be similar, where you open the app, start a new project as well, and import your clips. CapCut offers a wide range of editing tools and effects, so feel free to explore them, but once you're happy with your edits, export the video and save it. So hope you guys liked this video. These were just some random tips. Now I would have to be very specific to give you like detailed information about video production, because it all depends on the content and the style that you're going for. So if you have any other questions, leave them below. Perhaps we're going to get to it, or some other person can reply to you. But if you found this helpful, leave a thumbs up, subscribe below, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace out until then.